Hey guys, welcome back to Investing with Chris. My name is Chris, and we have to talk about Virgin Galactic. Okay, we have to talk about why it's down and why it's up and why I still believe it has so much potential. Now, the reason I have my headphones on is because on Sunday they had their launch. Okay, and I kind of wanted to show you guys a little snippet to how the launch actually went. In my opinion, guys, it was very breathtaking, and it was just something that everybody, in my opinion, should have seen. So let's take a quick look. It won't take too long. Let's just listen for a little bit.
5, 3, 2, 1. Release. Fire.
That's beautiful, man. So what happened was they actually shot up into space. Okay, remember, Virgin Galactic is trying to explore space exploration. So this was a very big thing because obviously Mr. Richard Branson, the CEO, the founder of Virgin Galactic, was on this specific spacecraft. Right now, what you guys saw was the countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When they said fire, 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 was when it went to automatic gear. They started firing on all cylinders, and they started to shoot up at a very extremely fast pace in order to shoot up into space. Now, how passengers will actually have it will be, they will be upside down, right? They'll have the availability to let go of their seatbelts and actually start floating in the air like so, right? Right now, they are floating in air. You guys will see on purpose, the spacecraft will flip upside down in order to redirect itself back into Earth, and you can have the availability to look at it from a different standpoint. You can see them, in space, zero gravity. That's exactly how it is. Okay, that's what happened on Sunday. So there was a lot of anticipation that, wow, this spacecraft actually went to space and back in one piece. No explosions, no accidents, nothing. Right now, Virgin Galactic did have a whole bunch of momentum since they did announce this specific trial. So if anybody wants to watch this, you can actually go into Virgin Galactic's official website, and they have this video up on their main page. But let's talk about the price and what's actually been going on with Virgin Galactic today. So Virgin Galactic right now, at the moment of the video, they are trading for $37.55. During market hours, they were down 7.20%, and after market close, they were down 0.56%. Okay, so it's been around 2 days since they actually had their launch. If we take a look at the past 5 days, guys, it does not look very pretty. Just yesterday, they were down at most 18%. So in the past 2 days, they have been down more than 25%. You can actually see on Friday, when Friday closed, they were trading around $49.50, let's say, hitting a high of around $52.74 on Thursday of last week. And this week, just today, they had a low of $38 and still dipping down more and more and more. Now, there's a lot of things going on with it because there's a lot of people that actually did enjoy the launch, and there are people that do believe into the company now that they've actually witnessed it for themselves. Now, Virgin Galactic does have a lot of stiff competition with Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX. So which one will actually be the next up and coming one? That's just one of those three. Space exploration is something that nobody's really done until these three billionaires have actually done it. Now, in a couple weeks, Jeff Bezos will actually start to go up into his own spacecraft. And if you guys would like, I could also live stream that as well. But let's talk about why is Virgin Galactic down if this so-called launch and this test flight for Unity 22 was so successful. Well, since it was so successful, Virgin Galactic actually thought, you know what? We should actually use this momentum, take advantage of it, and sell some of our shares. So that's exactly what they did. They sold around $500 million worth of their stock, obviously diluting shareholder value. Virgin Galactic shares tanked 18% on opportunistic $500 million secondary offering. And that was a very big thing. And even then, like Richard Branson's space stock surged and turned around. The thing is, guys, yes, it does dilute shareholder value. They just took out $500 million. But that could also be good and bad. It's bad, obviously, because your shares have been diluted. It's good because they just got $500 million cash in hand. What is that going to be used for? reinvesting back into the company. Remember, Virgin Galactic is not a profitable company. They haven't sent out passengers yet. They haven't really done any real passenger testing or sent actual people that have paying customers up into space. So there is no real idea to how much demand the space exploration thing could actually have. Virgin Galactic has an expectation of having a revenue of around $1 billion each and every year, and slowly progress even better and improve it within each year. But that's just expectation. But how many people can actually afford these test flights? That's a real big question. So by them actually taking this money and reinvesting it back into the company, making it cheaper, making it more efficient, just trying to make it more accessible for more and more people, they could easily, guys, make $1 billion if more and more people are actually able to purchase some tickets. And how many people have the confidence in actually to travel into space? Let me know down in the comment section, would you guys be one of the first, or are you guys even thinking of going into space travel, whether it's Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, or SpaceX? Let me know down in the comment section. Virgin Galactic share sale causes space stock dip, but we're still buyers here. And this is a video that I did make on Saturday about Virgin Galactic before I did my live stream. I am all in on Virgin Galactic. I do believe in it long term, especially after a successful launch. I'm not saying Virgin Galactic is perfect, but what I'm saying is it could probably be that one company that could travel into a realm that we are not familiar in. So it's strictly speculative, yes. We don't know how much money, how much demand, or if and when, or if there will ever be any sorts of accidents. That could be a huge problem for Virgin Galactic. How many people are actually willing to buy some tickets? How many people are actually willing to reserve tickets? That are all big questions. But then again, guys, space exploration is something that nobody really knows about. You get me? There's only 3 real companies right now that are actually doing it and performing it at a very high level. And Virgin Galactic is one of the first doing what they're doing, and they probably might be the first ones to actually make some revenue before Blue Origin and before SpaceX. So that's basically my opinion on SpaceX. But before I go, let me give you guys my price prediction. So right now, Virgin Galactic is at $37.54. They have a market cap of around $9 billion. Just last week, their market cap was around $11 billion. And obviously, they do extremely overvalue. They have no sorts of revenue. But I do see Virgin Galactic in the next coming years making some money, making some profit, and maybe even breaking even. And if that does happen with the type of potential it actually has, Virgin Galactic can easily go back up to $50. That's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about it. And if you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It pushes the video out to more and more people who may be interested in maybe traveling into space or just love space stock. Let me know down in the comment section. So thank you all for watching, guys. I know I've been wearing the headphones all video, but this is how we do it. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day out there. Salutes to you all, and